Hey friends,
I'm Mike.
and I'm Karen, and we are the Baskets. Join us as we begin flipping the farm. So our Monday started out with a little bit of a surprise. I mean, we knew our appliances were coming, but you guys were obviously not ready for those yet. We are out in the big horse barn. We got a little distracted because we definitely have more important things that we should be doing, but we figured while we're out here, I don't even know how we ended up out here. Oh, we came out to bring a fence panel, right? Yeah, and so we were like, what the heck? Let's go ahead and pick up some of the trash that's in here. And there's a ridiculous amount, trust me. So we're picking up and cleaning up a little bit in here to just make a little progress out here today. So today really was just randomness outside, and Mike discovered a little treasure while he was mowing, some horse hoof nippers that were buried in the ground. So yeah, we just, again, never know what we're gonna find. Oh, how we love hay twine, huh? I kind of feel like this is gonna be a never-ending problem here on the farm. So today is Wednesday, and it has been just the most random week ever. We've kind of jumped here and there, hopping from different project to different project. We've had a really hard time staying focused this week, but not necessarily burned out, just a little overwhelmed with just all that needs to get done right now. We were able to get the pantry framed out, and then we worked a little bit on Mike's office as well. And then our friend Kelly came out and helped us, and he tackled the rest of the siding that was left on the house and was able to pull all that down. So that was really helpful. That way we can just get started on the hardy board maybe tomorrow. I don't know about y'all, but seeing all the studs exposed like this just really makes it all seem so real. It's like, oh my goodness, we're building a house. Really, for real, it's happening. Pantry walls are up. Look at that. How big is this, Mike? 6x6 pantry. Oh my goodness. So exciting. Now then, he's working on his little office and the doorway to the utility closet. Good morning.
Good morning. We got a little rain.
Wait, is it a good morning?
There's no such thing as no.
Yes, he's not.
I'm not a morning person, if you haven't figured that out by now.
And I am.
And Karen is, so I have to pretend like I'm a happy-go-lucky person. But anyway, so yes, good morning. We're going to work on the east side of the house today. We are putting my window in, which you like this?
Right over there.
In the office, and then I'm going to put all the support pieces going all the way up to the roof so that we have 16-inch centers to put our hardy board on.
Up there.
Kelly did a good job yesterday getting all that off of there, so hopefully we can get all this wrapped today as well, and so it'll look a lot nicer. And we also have to put some Thermador down, which is a product. We also have to put some Thermador down, which is a product that keeps termites away, essentially. She's laughing because I said it wrong a second ago. The Thermador, and then a friend of, or cousin of, or family members gave us the idea, and I looked it up and he was dead on right. I'm going to put some rock salt down, and that also keeps termites away. That's what we'll be starting on today, and then Karen's going to do some burning, maybe some mowing. And
finally get
we got all kinds of things to do in the next couple days.
Yeah, finally get to attack that big burn pile out there. It's going to be one heck of a bonfire, that's for sure.
Yep, smoky, smoky.
I don't know how you guys start fires, but this is how we start fires. We take a piece of like a rag or an old t-shirt or just like a strip of fabric of some sort and wrap it around a piece of wood and then soak it in tiki torch fuel. And then I just like to stuff it up under the bottom, you know, of the wood there. And that way it doesn't like explode in your face or backfire at you or anything like that. It just creates a nice slow burning fire from underneath. And I probably just told you something you already knew, but it's a cool tip, I think. While I watched and tended to the raging fire all morning, Mike was working on some last minute stuff that he needed to finish up in like the doorways there into his office and in the pantry area. Then we just kept on adding stuff to the fire. It was kind of fun actually, but we hadn't got to burn in so long that, we had that major big pile. We still have one more really big pile, a brush pile that we need to tackle. But the wind has just been so crazy here lately, so it's really hard to burn whenever we really need to. While Mike continued to work on those doors and things, I decided to go ahead and mow again. Oh my word, the rains we've had have been wonderful, but obviously they create growth. So once again, I am mowing, and I actually love to mow. Someone said to me just the other day, they're like, oh my goodness, you're crazy. I won't dare get on a mower. I absolutely love to mow. It gets me a great tan. Yes, I got majorly sunburned last week, but we're not going to talk about that anymore. I made sure to lather on the sunscreen today. Look at that window. Love it. Good job, babe. Wow, that's a nice window size. Nah, you'll get lots of light. You'll feel like you're in the great outdoors. We're both really excited to be working on this section of the house now. We got the supports in. I've got to help him do that. And so now then he's up there grinding off screws so that we will be able to put siding up under the soffits. I couldn't resist this view. I was just kind of laying here on one of our workbenches because my back was killing me. So yeah, he's up there just working away and I'm chilling out. And here's another view I couldn't resist sharing with you guys. The beautiful sunset at the end of this calm, beautiful Thursday evening. All right, so it is Friday morning and we are determined to get a lot done today. So we started out by putting some siding up under the soffits where Mike had grinded off all those nails the other day and screws and stuff that we were showing you. Once we got the siding on up underneath there, then we were able to move on to our wrap, which is the moisture barrier that we have to put on. And I don't know if you've paid much attention to the clouds rolling by, but oh my wow, I think we always pick like the windiest days ever to do this wrap, but it was a little frustrating and we laughed and we, got wrapped up in it. It was really funny actually. So we're putting on our first piece of hardy board for this side today, but we have some issues. We've got to make several cuts down here to get it to stair step and fit into place. So that's what Mike is working on right now.
Nothing is easy.
I said nothing is easy. Sure it is, babe. You got this. You can do it. That first piece gave us a little grief because of all the intricate cuts he had to make to get it to stair step. Like I mentioned before, it just kind of had to fit down into a little spot. And yeah, so that one took a while. And Mike is such a perfectionist that he wants it right. And trust me, it was right. It was great. He did so good on this. So this was pretty much what we did all day long today was hardy board. Mike would cut and fit the pieces into place, and then I would nail them all. So yeah, we are really proud of what we accomplished today. It was a big day, and it was a great way to wrap up our week. Hey there.
Hey guys.
It is the end of week 14?
Wow.
Yeah, week
Boy,
14.
it just keeps going by faster and faster, doesn't it?
This week was kind of short for us. We went to Texas over the weekend. I don't even think we told you guys we were doing that, but Mike's aunt had passed away a while back, and they did the memorial service, so we got to go hang out with his family, and it was so much fun.
So good to see family,
Yep.
cousins, and folks we hadn't seen in a long time. So that was a really good thing, really good thing. So, and I don't think because we were gone over the weekend, we get caught up on stuff. So Monday we didn't get to come out here at all, and then Tuesday we only had a few hours, and so a little bit of a shorter week. I don't know, Karen can work her magic or not and make the video longer, but we'll talk for the next 17 minutes and make it really long.
No. They would all be like, unsubscribe,
Yep,
unsubscribe, delete,
thanks.
don't watch. No, we like all the thumbs up and shares, and there's been a lot of people sharing and subscribing lately, so we really appreciate that. If this is your first time watching one of our vlogs, make sure you go back and start at the beginning, because
See the befores.
this place, oh my, wow. I mean, we even sometimes sit down and watch and go back and we forget how it looked before. So it's crazy. So go back and watch if you haven't done so
Pretty
yet.
wild and crazy. Well, we've got some more hardy board up, and I know yesterday I think I said I'm going to put my window in. I put the framing in for the window. We won't get windows for another month and a half now. So
Oh my goodness.
that is definitely the supply chain, and we won't talk about politics, but anyway, we're very thankful for you guys. I think next week we're going to try and get some more hardy board up and start doing some more framing. So my favorite phrase, little by little, we'll get a little bit another wall in, and then the plumbers, the cement guys, then the plumbers, then the electricians are all lined up, waiting to show up if I can just get my stuff done. So we've been pretty busy trying to get everything done that we want to get done.
Yeah. So have a great weekend, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. And when I say comment, we love
to hear from you.
Love to hear from you guys and answer your questions. And one of these days, we're going to do just a impromptu kind of question and answer with you guys. So that'll be a lot of fun. So have a great weekend.
Have a great weekend. Bye.